Hello everyone, this time we are going to look at this character, number 17, meaning true walker or walk. We have looked at these three characters meaning sky, earth, and man, and the characters of creation, four characters, and the characters of movement, three characters, and combination of these 10 one-stroke characters made these characters. On the index, we are now here. This character is also the combination of these characters, meaning true walker and walk. This character is three strokes, one of the radicals, combination of two and man. Okay, and Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified are all in same shape. In Korean language, we teach gong. 장인 means true walker, and gong. Il means walk. Chinese pronunciation is gong, gong, having tone number 1 value. The symbolic meaning, symbolic interpretation of this character is, this is the meaning of a true walker who penetrates and connects. Penetrates and connects this character. Do you remember? The just reasons between sky, heaven, and earth. This character, meaning two, its hidden meaning was sky and earth. Okay, so the meaning of a true walker who penetrates and connects the just reasons between sky, heaven, and earth. Okay, the dictionary meaning of this character: walk, true walker, craftsman, skill, profession, craft, labor. The hidden meaning is important. Jesus Christ, the true walker, Son of Man, God. We are talking about a totally new way of learning Chinese characters, through hidden meanings, and also we are talking about the principles of tone numbers. Okay, if you look at the tone number principles, we need to accept these hidden meanings to have a very smooth interpretation and to get conceptual values for each character's tone number. Okay, so looking at the Bible, has not the potter power over the clay of the same lump to make one vessel unto honor and another unto dishonor? In the Bible, there are some Bible words which mention God as the true walker who walks with with the lump of clay to make something. That means the God. Okay, so it's very interesting for the Bible to mention God as the creator with a lump of clay. He walks with a lump of clay to make something for honor and dishonor. Okay, uh, so these hidden meanings came from the Bible. I mean, why tone number one? This character has the tone number one value. The heart and work of a true craftsman are consistently sincere, honest, and just. So tone number one. Consistent, unchanging, sincere, honest, and just. Okay, so we can remember this character has tone number one value. Gong, gong, gong. Okay, what do you think about this interpretation? You can leave a message here, and I will look at and respond to it. If you can make some comments or leave your opinion, I will look at before the book will be published next year. Thank you very much for your listening, and see you next time.